Hey you guys, it's your chef Martin Reyes. Today I have prepared some chicken wings with on the inside I have garlic with olive oil, and I'm hoping that it will turn out good and give the meat some flavor. Over here I got some red potatoes, which I've sliced and washed, and over here I wanted to put some fresh asparagus in with the meal that I'm going to make. So I have a little bit of prepping to do, and let's get into it, guys. Red potatoes are also, people use them in crock pots to make their meals. I recommend, I'm sorry guys, I'm giving you my back. I recommend using red potatoes for anything, for crock pots or even oven or even outdoor cooking. They're great with anything, really. So, let's put these in there. Let's get this out of the way. And move on to our asparagus. We'll clean that up in a bit. What I like to do with my asparagus is I chop off some of the back end. Not too much. Not too much. Just I don't like it that long. But we will add this to that. We'll wash this up real quick. And remember guys, basically you could add lemon, salt, a little bit of butter to your asparagus and it will come out great. Same for mushrooms, portobello mushrooms. So what I'm going to do is put this down for a second, and sorry guys, I had to step away for a second. And what I like to do is put some butter in there. What I like to do is put some butter, just to give it a little bit of flavor. You know, spread it around a little, and your meat will come out good either way. This just for added flavor for the asparagus to cook. I don't know anybody that doesn't cook with butter. Yeah. Not too much. There we go. Now I'm going to put our asparagus in there. There we go. Top of the meat, potatoes. Bring it over so you guys can get a good look. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, yeah? Come out good in the oven. You want to preheat the oven to 450. 450. We're on bake. Oven's preheating. Put this away for now. And wash up the rest of our potatoes here. And I'll add those in real quick. So remember guys, if you guys want to make simple, easy meals for your family, it takes, you know, hour and a half, whatever, 45 minutes in the oven. You know, you guys can do this at home too. It's nothing fancy, you know. Just put it over the top, and they should be fine. And you know, you got a meal basically to feed about 5-6 people. Easy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. You got your chicken in there, asparagus, red potatoes. Who wouldn't love this? Now, and as always, if you guys like what you see and what I'm cooking, it's very family orientated. I'm hoping within the next 2 to 3 months I'll have some a couple of videos outside where I'm cooking using firewood, cooked meat, basically, and I'm hoping to make a couple of videos out there during winter also. Really get the feel for it. And as always, if you guys like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you dislike it, hit that dislike button. Either way, I welcome it. And leave some friendly comments. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Basically, I want to share my experiences with you, and I hope for honest, positive feedback. So stay tuned, you guys, and we'll be right back. Okay? See you then. Alright guys, we're back, and this is the end result of our chicken, potatoes, with garlic, salt, kosher salt, and greens that I had put in there, and potatoes. So another great family meal from my house to yours. Once again, Chef Martin Reyes. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, keep watching for more great videos. Till then guys, I'll see you then, and take care of each other. Bye.